So when I say past Rona, obviously Rona is still around, but WA is doing a fantastic job of killing it. So as you can see, Cars and Coffee is back on. It's the first one of the year, so we're expecting big things. It's not even open yet. It opens in 10 minutes and the car park's probably about half full. So it's gonna be a big day. We'll go take a look around, and if I don't spot your car, don't be sad. There is a lot of cars here and not enough time to check them all out. But let's go check out some of my favourites and see what Cars and Coffee is all about. I'm gonna pop this car's Instagram on the screen. Is that coming across on camera? Kind of. Alright, well, I'll show you some cinematics in a minute of those lights, but this is epic. He's been doing this for a while, and I'm pretty sure, I believe it's got like neons all round. Obviously it's daylight, so we can't see what's going on. But damn, I love it. And these are his mates, I believe. 4-door Skyline. I know the Americans amongst us were frothing over this. We see these every day, so 4-door Skyline. I'm joking, it's sick. We can't go past the fact that Cars and Coffee is obviously inclusive. We have a Lamborghini next to a Merc, next to a twin turbo. Okay, let's go look at that. Okay, and with thanks to Daniel Wellesley, who's been on this channel before, I know that this is a VK Commodore. Right, those are 235 3020s on the rear. So traction might be an issue, but fun, all of it. You will all love to see a two-tone S13, so there you go. Just a small turbo on this one. Alright, you have the rotary contingent, probably the best sounding cars in the world. Are you gonna groove me? What are you saying? We got FD, RX-8. To be honest, I'm not gonna try and guess, I don't know enough about them. Sound sick though. Plus you have the Skyline, the odd one out, but we all know who that is, so we'll let that man off. 235s, you have the new one and the older shape. Quite nice to see them next to each other actually. This is the Forged Automotive crew. You can see by the banner there, this is a workshop in Perth. Now this one has been off the road for 2 or 3 years. Can we just appreciate the number plate please? It's not stock, it's like 600 horsepower I want to say. Perth Automotive doing its thing. Claim. Alright, so a good friend of mine is involved in Horsepower Inc. So I'm going to link them on the screen and down below because I need way more follows. As you can see by the cars that adore their stickers. Okay, you can see the crowd of people here because we have a now why Simon Evo running gear, 450 horsepower, and let me just show you the underneath. Yep, that's the underneath. Rides inside. Yeah, this is going to be on the channel soon, fingers crossed. So stay tuned, people. So you might recognize the plate on this thing. He's been on the channel. It's actually one of the biggest videos on the channel, the 800 horsepower sleeper, which everyone gave me about because it wasn't a sleeper, but he had the track wheels on. Anyway, read the goddamn description next time. So this is his new car. He's just fitted some new wheels. Let's go check it out. He's just fitted a shortened rear beam, which allows him to fit these wheels on. I think they're 2.75 inch backspace or something. They are wide and they are cool. Good work. And next to it, this is why I love Custom Cars and Coffee, we have the Instagram famous Amy Yolo. You might recognise his wheels because I got them at Rising Sunday earlier last year. She loves purple, as you can tell. Let's have a look around this one too. Now, I know a lot of you on my channel are JDM and Euro fans, but if you can't appreciate a Super B, then do you even like cars? Do you even own a car? Let's go have a look around. Something that I definitely don't have. Oh, jokes. This is something different, a Suzuki Super Carry 4x114 conversion, but look inside, re-trimmed in bride material seats. Love. tell you're in Australia. Right. In cars I didn't expect to see today, a NER Spec 34. Okay. Way to end off today's video than in front of a 34 NER Spec GTR. Jason absolutely killed it as always. They reckon that the numbers today were about on par with an end of year meet, so you guys absolutely killed it. Till next time, see you soon.